In this video, I'll tell you step-by-step method by which you can easily factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A07. First of all, you have to make sure that your device is at least 30% charged. After that, navigate to your settings application like so and scroll down. And right here you can see general management. Tap on that, then scroll down once again. And right here you can see reset. Tap on reset. However, you have to make sure that your data is backed up. All the files, photos or videos must be backed up as it will erase all of the data. Simply scroll down. And right here you can see factory data reset, and it says that reset your phone to its factory default settings. This will erase all data including files and downloaded applications. Simply tap on that, then scroll down and tap on reset. And right here enter your device password and tap on delete all. Tap on confirm, and right here you will need to enter your Samsung account password. Or if you forgot your password, you can tap on forgot password and reset your password from there. Once you have entered your Samsung account password, tap on OK like so, and as you can see that it is now shutting down. Just wait for a few minutes and your device will be reset. Now as you can see that we have successfully reset our Samsung Galaxy A07. Simply tap on start and tap on agree. And if you want to set up with another device, you can choose that, but I will set up manually. Skip for now, tap on skip. Now as you can see that we have successfully performed factory data reset on Samsung Galaxy A07. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.